Is your external component, the WinHTTP COM Library DLL, not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish WinHTTP Services COM Bridge links. To start the walkthrough for WinHTTP COM Library, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the WinHTTP COM Library, the Windows HTTP Services COM Library. It provides unmanaged COM interfaces for applications to perform high-level HTTPS requests, mandatory for background scripts and automation tools that require authenticated web communication. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. This error suggests a failure in the underlying Windows architecture. Open Command Prompt with administrator privileges and execute sfc/scan now to restore core system components, including the missing WinHTTP COM Library DLL. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with WinHTTP COM Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. Rebooting didn't re-establish the interface link, so we'll use a specific command to register the component. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a specific pointer in the registry. If the system cannot locate that reference, the file will fail to load even if it is physically present on the drive. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Safety first, never attempt to replace WinHTTP COM Library DLL with files found on random download portals. These sites lack quality control and often distribute files that are incompatible with modern Windows updates. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. If missing library references are recurring, the software linked below provides general information on maintaining WinHTTP COM Library. If you've regained access to WinHTTP COM Library thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.